Moving on. As Pakistan grapples with economic turbulence amid negotiation with the International Monetary Fund, the country's finance minister, Mohammad Aurangzeb, remains cautiously optimistic. While challenges loom large, Aurangzeb sees potential in the ongoing discussions aiming to bolster the nation's financial stability through policy reforms. With considerations such as increasing the petroleum levy on the table, Pakistan navigates a complex path towards economic resilience. A report. Pakistan's economy faces formidable challenges amid ongoing negotiations with the International Monetary Fund. Persistent fiscal deficit, driven by a misalignment between government expenditures and revenues, exacerbate the country's financial instability. High levels of public debt, coupled with a widening current account deficit and diminishing foreign exchange reserves, underscore the urgency of external assistance to mitigate the risk of a balance of payment crisis. However, Pakistan's finance minister Mohammad Aurangzeb expressed optimism regarding the discussions with the International Monetary Fund, characterizing them as constructive. Islamabad aims to bolster its argument for a fresh bailout agreement through its national budget.
IMF का जैसे आपको इल्म है कि वो मिशन यहाँ से होकर गया है, उसके बाद सारी वर्चुअल डिस्कशन उनके साथ चल रही है। इस बजट के सिलसिले में भी जो कुछ सबमिशंस हैं वो उनके साथ इस वक्त बातचीत में ये शामिल हैं और मैं सिर्फ इस वक्त ये कहूँगा कि मुस्बत पेशरफ्त है और अभी कोई फ़ाइनल बात हम कर नहीं सकते हैं क्योंकि जब तक कोई स्टाफ लेवल एग्रीमेंट हो ना जाए तो तब तक मैं कोई फिनैलिटी के साथ बात नहीं करना चाहता अदर दैन द फैक्ट कि अभी तक जो हमारी बात हुई है वो मुनासिब सिमत में जा रही है।
The discussions with the IMF present an opportunity for Pakistan, but they come with strict conditions and the need for challenging policy reforms. Successfully addressing these challenges calls for a comprehensive strategy including fiscal responsibility, structural challenges and specific actions to foster lasting economic growth and enhance the well-being of the Pakistani people. Pakistan is considering increasing the petroleum levy as part of its efforts to address fiscal challenges and enhance revenue streams.
ये जो 60 से 80 रुपए की तजवीज़ है, पहली बात तो ये है कि ये हम पहले दिन नहीं लगाने जा रहे। अगर जो इसमें इजाफ़ा होगा तो वो बतदरीज इजाफ़ा होगा ड्यूरिंग द नेक्स्ट फिस्कल ईयर और उस पर भी हम जो साथ साथ मॉनिटर करेंगे जो इंटरनेशनल ऑयल प्राइसेस हैं और उसके मुताबिक से हम इसको आगे लेकर चलेंगे ताकि जैसे आपने जिक्र किया उस पर जितना इजाफी बोझ कम हो सके वो हम उस तरीके से इसको मॉनिटर करेंगे। पहले तो ये है कि इसको फेज़ इन करेंगे और दूसरा इसको लिंक इन करेंगे विद इंटरनेशनल ऑयल प्राइसेस।
As Pakistan navigates through these intricate negotiations and economic challenges, the road ahead remains challenging yet filled. The failure of the Pakistani economy can be attributed to a combination of systemic issues and external factors. Pakistan has experienced frequent political instability, including military coups, weak civilian governments, and political unrest. Uncertainty in governance has undermined economic planning while hindering long-term growth. Rampant corruption at various levels of government and society has distorted markets and eroded public trust. Weak governance institutions and ineffective regulatory frameworks have further exacerbated economic challenges.